Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do number 1672, Richest Customer Wealth, an easy problem on LeetCode in JavaScript. So basically, we can just go straight to the example. We have an array accounts 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 2, 1. The output is 6 because if you add all these values inside of it, this one is 6 and this one is 6, and then 6 is the highest amount, so the output is 6. Here's another one where it's not all equal. We have this array within an array. This one value adds up to 6, this one adds up to 10, this one adds up to 8. So 10 is the biggest one, so the output is 10. So with the pseudocode, what we're going to need to do is that first we have to create the output value. So we create a variable, create richest variable to hold the highest value. And after that, we have to loop through the accounts array. And inside of this loop, for each array inside of the loop, we need to create another variable to hold the current wealth. Create So for example, we're going to create a variable to hold this value as 6. And to get this value, we have to loop through the inner array. And inside, when we loop through this inner array, we had to add the value of each index to the current wealth. Let me change this. And once we go through all of that and get the current wealth, we have to compare that to the richest variable and get the highest one. If it's the highest one, we'll change that to be the richest variable. If current wealth is greater than richest, you set them equal to each other. Set them equal to each other. And once you finish through the loop and all of this, you return richest. Okay, so let richest equals 0. And now we're going to loop through the array for let I equals 1 of 0. I is less than accounts dot length I plus plus. And inside this loop, we create the new variable that current wealth. Let me change this max wealth. Equals, it starts off at 0. And inside this, we do another for loop for let j equals 0. J is less than accounts index I, and then of j, no, just I dot length, and then j plus plus. And inside of this, we do the current wealth plus equals to account the value of the current index inside of that array. And after that, we return max wealth. Check it. Okay, now I forgot the if statement. If current wealth is greater than max wealth, current wealth max wealth equals it. Nice, we got it. So for the time complexity, it's going to be O of n times m. And the reason for this, and I got a little bit stuck on it first, is because we need to loop through the length of the array, and then inside of the array too. And you get it here. This is pretty much the time complexity that you need. So you have to multiply them. And then the space complexity, since will be O of 1. This is where I just having constant variables and not making a new array or anything like that. Thank you.